Jeff and Arlo came over. We got a lot of the wiring started. It's kind of up into place there. I need to clean it all up, and we got to do a lot of testing still. But I got my trim back from Powder Coat, so I'm going to install the trim that goes on the hood, the emblem, and the side of the car, rear emblem. So what we're going to do now. Here we go. Start with the hood emblem here. Got the 3 clips. Hopefully, with it being powder coated, they'll slide on, hold it into place. Let's get that on there. Line up the holes. Push down, and I'm going to put the clips in here. Got one on there. These other 2, drop one in my hand here, will not fit because this lip's in the way. So I'm going to cut the bottom of it off so I can get it up in there. Maybe try to get it in there. We'll see. So I just snipped the bottom off there to get it past this lip. And then I'm going to try to get my hand in there and push down on the emblem at the same time to get those to go on. Right on, I got them all in there. Now it's on there. Bam. I'm going to do the hood trim next. So I got the clips on. I stuck them on first. The clip itself looks like this. So the bottom part here that faces up right there, that's going to go in, and then I tap down with a hammer this part and it flares the end out. So now I'm hoping I can snap this on into place now. We will find out together. I've never done this before, so we are going to try this together. And then I don't know if when I get it into place, I'm going to be able to move it or not. Oh, maybe I'm going to kind of eyeball it here, there, and then that goes down to there, I guess. Go up a little bit more. There, I'm going to try that. So let's see. There we are, snapped in. Okay. That's not too bad at all. Okay. Maybe. Let's see if this one will go. There it goes. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Pretty simple. Bam. Now I got hood trim, emblem. Sweet. Let's we'll work down the side here. I'll do the trim on that, and then the door, and then that one, and then we'll get that rear emblem on. So I'll show you guys what I did when I put on these clips. So I just pushed it in the hole here. There, and you can hear it kind of clip in. Let me get you a better angle here. I'll zoom in on this one. So you're going to stick this part in and push. You can hear it kind of snap into place. We got 2 more here. That one went right in, no problem. There we go. And then I took my hammer and I have a really small hammer here and I'm just tapping. There. I don't know if you guys heard that loud pop. Bam. Bam. Okay, that's it. Bam, bam, bam. Let's grab the trim and stick it on the trim. I'm going to start on this side and snap it into place. You kind of have to bend it like so. Voila! Pretty simple. That looks sweet. Cool. Let's work on the door now. Right on, right on, right on. Snap. My knees snap too when I bend over. Snappy. There we go. There, that one went. That one went. Oh. This one has two flat sides, and the one that goes on the rear has a pointy end. So this is flat here, and then it points there. So this will be a door. And I'm going to start, let's see here, where do I want to start? Go in your home. There it goes. You do have to push. Sorry if I'm blocking you. You can slide it, it looks like. Didn't mean to. There. All right. Oh, man. This one was tight. Okay. Boom. Door trim. All right. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Right on. Clips are in. I tap down the little knobby things. I'm going to put the pointy end this side. I'm going to start on this side here. Voila! Sweet. Looking good. All right, that's done. Now the rear trunk emblem. Let's grab that. Find the little rubber clips for that. Okay, I got the emblem powder coated, and there's these three. Might have to bend this. I don't remember if I need it. I never put it on ever. There we go. Okay. Hopefully these rubber grommet things will hold this down. So there's metal inside here. I just cut the crap out of my finger every time. I do have, go get a Band-Aid, hold on. Got a Band-Aid. All right, let's put these back on here, or on. You guys can't see, but. So the clips go on like so, I'm guessing. I tried to put it on the other way, but it kept hitting, so I flipped them around. And then I pushed really hard down with these. And now it's on there. Let's see what that looks like here. Bam. Volkswagen. Blacked out. Okay. So let's do the other side. I just got those 3 left here. I think I'll tape up my finger a little more. Let's finish this off. it is. Looking good, looking good. Cool. So the emblems and the trimmer on. Boom. Running boards. I did the same thing. There's a chrome strip on the running board and I blacked it out also. So once I get that on, yeah, but that's where we're at right now. Thanks for watching.